Hey, thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to discuss Tumbleweed Slowroll. I've been using Tumbleweed for a while now. A lot of updates, so I'm going to try to do Slowroll. What is Slowroll? It's Tumbleweed with updates once a month, with a major upgrade about every 12 months. Slowroll is still in beta right now. And here's a way that you can try Slowroll. There's actually two ways to install Slowroll. One is if you have an existing Tumbleweed, or Leap if you want to go to Slowroll. And the second option is Agama installer. So I'm going to show you Agama Beta 13 to install Slowroll. Here we go. Have a VM installing here of Agama. It should take a little bit of time to do it. I'm going to show the whole install process, and you can watch the whole thing or skip forward. We'll have chapter markings listed below. Simply going to choose Slowroll, and it's going to analyze and configure the software. I do have it sped up, so we're not going to watch it in real time. If you've never seen Agama, this is Agama. Pretty nice installer. It is a stripped down version of the Yast installer. It's a lot less options than this. Though I do like it, I hope that they give us more input into what we want to install on our computers. It's straightforward, can't complain. Wish they had a way to turn IPv6 off. I don't have a use for that. You really don't have a big software selection, so you're really forced to install everything. Yeah, they do. I'm glad they give you options for Office software, multimedia, proprietary packages, but I'd like a more of a granular selection. I mean, this one's 5.3 gig. It's crazy, but can't complain. It's good software. They do give you options for your username and password, like you'd expect. Wish there was an option for using the same password as root. Hopefully in the next version they'll have that. They won't let me install without a password. Good. So here you have to edit and use the password. One of these days I'll use an SSH key. I've never really done that. Would like to try it. So not many options here. You can collapse the left side down if you want, if you just need to go via icons or you know what you're doing. And then we're going to install the software. There is 2,336 packages that will be installed right now. So should be a couple minutes here. I'm going to fast forward this. I'll be back when it's done. Yeah, I wonder if Agama's going to get a local or network install package when it's finalized. Right now, everything's downloading from the internet, which isn't an issue. I understand why they do it. Less the package, easier on the maintainers. So moving to slow roll actually gives you less updates or less frequent updates. So I think I would see around a gig of updates a week on Tumbleweed. Really haven't seen that amount of data for slow roll. I've only been using it a few days. You're not going to be on the latest greatest bleeding edge of updates. I don't know, is Tumbleweed really bleeding edge? It's probably a week behind on updates, which I'm grateful for. But do I need that? I don't know, which is why I'm trying out slow roll. I use my personal computer for editing on DaVinci Resolve. I don't really want to be doing constant upgrades. I've only had DaVinci Resolve have issues one time, and that was the NVIDIA drivers were dorked, I guess, weren't working correctly, but within a few days, Tumbleweed had provided updates and fixed the issues with the CUDA drivers. I believe it was with the CUDA drivers. That's the only issue I've had with Tumbleweed updates, so not a big issue. It's just I don't want to be doing the upgrades or updates constantly. It is technically an upgrade since we use sudo zipper dup on Tumbleweed. Up will work. You're just not getting the latest greatest with that update version. So yeah, I'm satisfied with Tumbleweed. Just try and slow roll out and see what it has to offer. You know, it's Linux, openSUSE. It's your choice. You can do whatever you want. You're not tied to any distro, I guess. But yeah, openSUSE's been using it off and on for 20 some years. Getting close to the end. Alright, here we go. Congratulations. It's gonna reboot. So we'll do our first login here to Tumbleweed Slowroll. And it'll do a quick finalization of the packages after we've logged in here. Your standard welcome screen. Do a quick update here, see if it's all the correct or all the new updates are in it. Should be. Nope, it's gonna do another 2 gig update, so about 7 gigs of data here. Of course, it's the packages I chose to install, so that's to be expected. core updates are all done. And we'll go up to the top. And you see it says Tumbleweed Slowroll. Should be all the packages you expect to see on a standard install. I'm not going to go over everything. You know, it's the packages are AppArmor. That is a surprise for me. I thought it would be SE Linux since the regular Tumbleweed's SE Linux, but that's okay to be AppArmor. Now what I want to show you is the second thing. I'm on standard Tumbleweed install here. You can see openSUSE Tumbleweed. So what I'm going to do is actually convert this to Slowroll. This is the code or the upgrade script from openSUSE. Does not work. I did some research. Seems like someone's changed the code that was working. I'm going to try sudo here, but it doesn't work. So yeah, I'll put the code or the configuration that I have that works. I'll provide that in the comment section below. Here we go. I got the correct commands to do the repo change and then refresh. I did get it from Reddit. These are the actual commands that were listed on the website before it was changed to the one that doesn't work. And yes, this is going to be another 3.8 gig update. My bandwidth usage for this month is going to be considerably higher than normal, but that's okay. I got unlimited data. It's almost 1,000 packages that will be needed to update from the standard Tumbleweed package to Slowroll here. I'll speed the update process up so we don't have to be here. Watch it in real time. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see these upgrades in real time instead of being sped up. They would be about 4 times longer if we kept it in real time. Gonna do a quick reboot, and then you notice that it says slow roll down at the bottom. So looks like the conversion went great. I haven't seen any issues testing it. If you can, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Have a great day.